Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In today's video we are going to learn the trick to write the table without memorizing. That's the trigonometric table. So you can see these are the values of the trigonometric table, and I will tell you, you don't need to study it. I'm going to show you a trick wherein you can easily generate this table ASAP even when you are answering your exam papers. Now before I can proceed with the video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've not done yet, please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you join the Telegram group, because that's the place where you can get most of the updates. So on this note, let's move ahead and understand how we go about writing the trigonometric table or generating the trigonometric table without memorizing, without rote learning, without doing it by heart. So this is the trigonometric table. So the first step what you need to do is write the angles. So you write 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Then the first step is you write the numbers from 0 to 4 under each of these angles. So how are you going to write it? You write 0 under 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, easy? Fair enough. Next step, you divide each of these numbers by 4. So it's going to be what? 0 upon 4 is 0, 1 upon 4 will be 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 will be 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 will be written as 3 upon 4, and 4 upon 4 will be 1, right? So this is step 2. Third is you have the square roots of each one of them. So I'm going to write it. So this is the square roots of each of them, which is not solved. Now you come to the real part of it, which is writing the trigonometric table without learning. Now this is the beauty about it. So let's say value sine A. Sine A, what is square root of 0? It is 0. What is the square root of 1? Is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. It will be 1 upon 2. What is the square root of 1 over here? So in the numerator will be 1, and square root of 2 will be written as square root of 2 in the denominator. So it is 1 upon square root 2. So what is the square root of 3 upon square root of 4? So in the numerator you'll have square root of 3, and in the denominator you'll have 2, because square root of 4 is 2. So it's square root 3 upon 2. And here square root of 1 is 1. So you see we've got the values of sine A by following these 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3. Now writing the values of cos is simple. You just reverse this. So this one is going to come here, square root of 3 upon 2, 1 upon square root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. So what you're going to do over here is, so you've seen how you get the value of cos over here. You just reverse this values, 1 square root of 3 upon 2, 1 upon square root 2, half and 0. Now let's find the value of 10. So how is 10? 10 is nothing but sine upon cos. So what you're going to do? This upon this. So values of sine upon this. So sine of 0 would be what? 0, because 0 upon 1 is 0. Sine of 30 degrees, 10 of 30 degrees is what? Sine upon cos. So 2 and 2 will cancel. The answer will be 1 upon square root 3. Here your square root 3, square root 2 will cancel, and you're going to get 1. Then 2 and 2 will cancel. You'll have square root of 3 upon 1, which is square root of 3. And finally you'll have 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Now this is how you get the values of 10A. Now let's find the value of cosec A. So how you get cosec A? Cosec is nothing but 1 upon sine. So whatever numbers are over here in sine, you just write the reciprocal of the same. So 1 upon 0 is what? It's not defined. So 1 upon 2 would be what? 2 upon 1. Likewise, square root of 2 would be what? 1 upon square root 2 would be square root of 2. Square root of 3 upon 2 would be written reciprocal. What will be? 2 upon square root 3. And 1 upon 1 would be 1. So now that we have got cosec A, sec A, how you going to write? Same way like what you had done for cos A, you just reverse this. So you write 1 first, then 2 upon square root 3, then you write square root 2, followed by 2 and infinity. Finally you have cot A. What is cot A? 1 upon 10A. So again you're going to write the reciprocal of 0. Of these values. So 0 upon this thing, 0 is not defined. 1 upon square root 3 will become square root 3. 1 upon 1 would be 1. Square root of 3 would become 1 upon square root 3, and this will become 0. So you see, this is how you do the trigonometric table. Let's do a small recap of it again fast. Write numbers from 1 to 3 4 divided by 4. Then you have the square root of all of this. Then you write the values of sine. So solve this. Sine of 0 is 0, half, etc. For cos, you write it in the reverse order. Then tan is nothing but sine upon cos. So you divide this upon this. Then cosec is nothing but reciprocal of sine a. So you write the reciprocal values of this. And for sec, you again reverse the order and write it again. And cot is nothing but 1 upon 10. So you write the reciprocal values of this. So I hope that you like this particular trick, and it's going to be much easier for you to recall. You don't need to rote memorize it. You don't need to study by heart. You can write it up very fast in your exam paper also. You can take a pencil and write it down. So do let me know your feedback in the comment section, whether you like this video, you like this particular trick, and subscribe to my channel. And before winding up, a humble request, please share this video across so more and more people can utilize this same. Until the next video, take care and